everyone. Wanted to start by showing you this dry painting. It turned out really well. And the blue had iridescent in it, so it makes it really cool looking. Makes it really neat. I love how it turned out. I think I said something like, looks like a party, and I still think it does. I really like it. So today I'm going to do a Dutch pour on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. And the colors, I don't really know how these colors are going to look. So, because they're very light colors, and usually I like to have a darker color in there. And actually, I think I may... Oh, I'm going to be brave. I'm going to use a darker orange. Man, I am... And a darker magenta. So this has no color on. I don't know what this is. It's a combination of a bunch of stuff, I guess. This is Artist Loft Deep Magenta. Then I've got yellow I'm going to use. And, gosh, I was going to use bright aqua green. But I don't think I'm going to. And I'm not going to use the magenta because I already got the deep magenta. And I think I may just use those three colors and hope for the best. I already poured paint on my canvas. I see a little fuzz ball. So I'm going to put my gloves on. So my personal email has not been working. I have used our cable internet provider's email for as long as I can remember. And it stopped working on my phone, it stopped working on my computer. And I have never felt so naked in my life. I mean, it's not like I even get that many great emails, you know, it's like 1 out of 20 is an actual email, the rest is just spam. But I feel so naked without it. So I finally just did a Gmail. And I'm like, I'm done with it. But now I have to change my email on everything I've ever used in my entire life. It's worse than changing your name when you get married or something. I really, 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 really hope this works. I'm kind of nervous. Alrighty, here goes nothing. To add, oh crud, I don't want that on there. Shake it down here. It does look pretty, but I'm going to add some more. Add some white, and we need more magenta. black spot. Oh, I love this. Perfect. I'm so glad I added that extra white. And the colors are so pretty together. I'm so glad I did not introduce any green or blue to it. Oh, I'm really happy with these colors. I love them. I may do a little bit of a blowout over here. I can't blow that direction. There we go. A little bit more movement. It was so just smooth. Oh, I love it. I'm happy with it. I'm going to let you... I'm going to put the caps on these paints real fast because I put them where I don't normally put paint, and I foresee danger if I don't put the lids back on them. This Artist Loft Deep Magenta is one of my favorite magentas. Such a pretty color. Oops, there it is. I think from when I shook the white paint, I got little bits of... Otherwise, it is good. No, I still see something. So there it is, super happy with it. There's some close-ups. The colors are just phenomenal together. And those are the colors I used. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Bye!